I am inside a super volcano's caldera. So I am in the Valles caldera right here. Let's see if you can pick this up. This thing is huge, absolutely ginormous. And I think it's about 20 kilometers across. So the caldera is the whole of the volcano, right? We call it a caldera when it's larger, when it's more than a kilometer. And of course, this is far more than 1 kilometer across. I hope that car noise is not too. We're right here on the side of the road, actually. So on Highway 4 in New Mexico, you come right through the caldera. So what I think is really amazing about this is that these little smaller hills are volcanoes that popped up. This one actually back here, Redondo, is the big round one, a resurgence dome. So after the eruption, which this is the Valles caldera, so this was about a million, like 1.2 million years ago is when the big eruption happened. So after that, for tens of thousands of years, there continued to be more volcanic activity. And actually, below here, we go down, there is a magma chamber. And that magma chamber is probably slowly filling up. We don't think that there's going to be any, major activity right now. It's not like we're at the edge of some giant explosion or something like that. Hey, stay over here, not next to the road, please. Thank you. Out here with the kiddos, we are exploring the different volcanic sites around here. But what really stands out to me about this, other than the wonderful little volcanoes, is it makes me think about the volcanoes that we are studying in space. So thinking about volcanoes like the ones on Mars or Venus, and knowing that right now we can't actually go to those volcanoes, right? We can study them from space with remote viewing. With remote sensing. Remote viewing and remote sensing, two very different things. Remote sensing, right? So we take cameras and from a far distance we look down at them. But what we can do with sites here on Earth is we have the advantage of being able to come here and take samples, study it from the ground. Then we can compare that with the images that we take from space and help us to do a better job figuring out from that what's happening on these other planets, just by comparing what is it like on the ground here on Earth with the photos that we see from space.